It's true. I didn't eat any of the cookies. They're all in the jar. Or did he sing opera? And also an ice cream maker. But what kind of sounds? Oh, here is Billy. Oh, you look disappointed, Billy. I guess no new rocks. Because New Year's Day is about celebrating the new year. It's all about celebrating a fresh start. This year has to end first to celebrate the beginning of the next year. That's only a few months away. We can use your confetti poppers then. And of course an astronaut. But there's so much more to know. I wonder what it would be like to be in space. Not on purpose, but what kind of sounds? Will you? Because New Year's Day is about celebrating the new year. It's all about celebrating a fresh start. This year has to end first to celebrate the beginning of the next year. I feel that I can't wait to get there. And once I'm there, I forget about everything else. So time is different for someone in space? Well, I like running and kicking a ball. Every time I am on the field, it makes me feel happy and strong. I want to be an inventor. I know what Elliot's hobby is. Eating delicious chocolate muffins with caramel and cream. Painting is cool, and I am happy for Mason and other listeners. They know what they like, but I don't even have a hobby. I just like sports in general. But what kind of sounds? Will you? Some red and a little yellow. I made orange. Wait, I'm writing this down. What to do if you are being bullied? Cowie, do you want to share my Hawaiian roll with Swiss cheese? Yeah, it's just so different.